Bingo. Wind up the low back and the low drop. Perfect. Nice and low. There it is. Hey guys, Dr. Will here. You called, I answered. We are back with adjusting videos. So I have Shana here today. Shana is a very hardworking realtor in South Florida, so hit her up if you need real estate needs. We'll put her link in the bio. But she's in the car all the time. She's at her computer all the time. She's under a lot of stress, and she needs an adjustment. So today you're going to see me adjust Shana. So go face up for me. First and foremost, I always start with the upper back. It's to me, it's the root of all evil. Is once the upper back gets rounded, the ribs get locked up, kind of sends the whole rest of the spine haywire. So scoot towards me a little bit. This. Good old thoracic roll here. Bingo. Lay on your right side for me. Other right. Happens all the time, guys. For those of you patients watching, it's not just you. Everybody gets disoriented in there. I'm just going to kind of wind up the low back and the low drop. Perfect. Other side. Same thing here, so we're going to adjust the tailbone on this side. Yes, your tailbone can get out of place. And nice and low. There it is. Go face up for me. Everybody's favorite, of course, cervical spine. If you have headaches, if you have neck pain, if you have tingling in your fingers, this adjustment is for you. Scoot up towards me a little bit. So I know Shana gets a lot of neck pain. She tells me all about her stress from work. So let everything go. All right, immediate reaction. Shana, how do you feel?
Amazing.
You heard it here first, amazing. So, if you're a realtor or any other professional who gets tight, stressed, tense, call Dr. Will, 754-231-8338.